Gold so far for the day has delivered decent profits with the sell entry at 3130 levels. We have seen a good support coming in at 3110. Can we expect gold to break below 3110? Can we expect more bearishness here? While, like, if you see silver, we have seen a struggle on the upside. It has failed to stay above 34, while on the downside the support at 3380, 3360 proving out to be pretty strong. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Yes, the liberation day today, the policy or the tariffs which the President Trump might announce, definitely going to bring volatility here. And what to expect from this, where the gold prices are heading, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. I always release the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Those who had watched must have already profited. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, on the hourly charts, what's happening with gold? See, this is the peak here. It has to break beyond 3140 in order to confirm a reversal. What has happened so far? After this drop, it is trading sideways. It has to give a breakout, either to trade above 3140 or to trade below 3110, 3100 levels. We have got very good support till 3100, and once it breaches 3100, we may see a greater move which is going to take prices all the way towards 3080 and lower levels. There is a possibility to it, but right now if you see the movement, it is just staying in a zone here and trying to consolidate before taking a direction. It can take any which or any direction as of now. On the downside, first 3110 and 3100, this is the zone it needs to break. These are going to remain greater support levels. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat here. On the 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts, you can see this. Also notice, look at these two candles. See, bearishness getting increased after every rise is offsets with a drop, and now we are waiting for it to trade below 3110, which should confirm another round of drop here. As long as it stays below 3110, above 3110, we have to be careful with the sells here. So ideal selling entry has to be below 3110, and then you can expect 3100 and lower levels. Possibility exists strong. Below 3100, we are looking forward to 3080. Be mindful of this. Stochastic running flat, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is running flat here. On the 3 hour, now see on the 3 hour chart, the support levels from the 20 period moving average. Pretty strong support is seen here. Once it breaches, it is going to deliver a massive move here, and the current candle is going to play a major role. So on the 3 hour charts, once with the current candle, if the price is trades below 3110, stay short. Stay short for 3100 first, and then in fact we can see 3084, 3080 as the next targets. Below that, a good correction might follow. See what has happened here after this good rise. Now the prices are consolidating. On the upside, it is very important for gold to trade above 3140 levels. As long as 3140 is not taken, you have to be very, very careful with the buys. Be mindful of this. Again, I am highlighting this fact. And once it breaches 3140, it is going to deliver another round of rally here. That is also pretty clear. Till 3140, we should not be treating this as bullish. Once it breaks beyond 3140, it is possible that it can breach past 3150, and beyond that, a stronger rally should be seen. So right now we are seeing a range bound movement. It has to come out of this range in order to confirm a direction. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is running flat here. On the 4 hour, notice on the 4 hour chart, see retracement here, support. Again, one single green candle, couple of red candle, again trying to bounce back here, taking the support here. So it is very, very important, very, very important for gold to trade below 3110. Below this only you can confirm that the bears are back. As long as it respects this zone, you have to be careful. And yes, on the upside, similar observation here, very, very important for it to trade above 3140. Stochastic right now looking downward. See MACD crossing over here at the top. Definitely it's a bearish sign, and I have mentioned this earlier as well. See the rise retracement, and whenever this crossover comes at a higher levels, you can again take a, you can see that it takes the prices down, and right now I can see this happening here, and this might not be the exception here. It can again try to trade bearish. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming today on the daily charts, now see the preceding candle is a swing candle. Today it has seen lower highs, which suggests that lower lows might be there, and once it trades or falls below 3100 level, certainly I can say that 3080 has to be there. 3080, 84 should be the next targets, and below that it may fall into a correction zone where we can in fact look forward to 3040 levels. Possibility exists that the gains it has given for last 3 to 4 candles might get erased, in a single candle. There is a strong possibility to it, but right now it is too early to conclude. It is not giving any signs, and in fact once it breaks beyond 3140, it can deliver a stronger bullish candle. This is gold. This can do anything. What we had seen for the last few sessions can continue with that. Notice also, this is how it has been trading. This is a strongly bullish channel, and it has got the support levels at 30, 60, 30, 40, which are pretty strong. Stock IC overbought here, the MACD rising, the RSI overbought. So things are definitely overbought. So now time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Ideally now the buying entries are far above towards 31, 36, 31, 40 levels, but since this is a far above level, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 31.26, be careful first at 31.30, 32. Very strong resistance is observed there, and then towards 31.36 and 31.43 key level. So if you're buying at 31.26, you have to be extremely careful till 31.40. Only and only if it trades above 31.40, you can expect a good round of rise, which might take it towards 31.50, and in fact beyond 31.50 a rally can be seen. Till 31.50, do not treat this as bullish. Chances of reversal will be very high. And now on the downside, the selling entries are pretty clear. So 31.26 you can buy, but the selling entries are only at lower levels. If you see it is staying below 31.10, close your eyes, stay short for 3100 levels. That is the first and major support, 3100, 3102. And if 3100, 3102 is taken this time, I think we are gearing up for another round of good drop, which is going to take it towards 308480 levels, and below that 306062, and then 3040 should arrive. Possibility exists strong. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly chart. See what we had seen so far here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. And this has come out of this bearish channel. This is a good sign for the bulls, but at the same time, what one must notice, see, the drop started here, it has come to net par levels, and it is now looking downwards. Very important for silver to trade below 3360 levels. If and only if it trades below 3360, we can say now the bears are back, and then specifically below 3340, you can say now we are ready for another round of crash. So if you see now silver trading below 3380 levels, you can take a sell, expect 3360 and then 3340. If 3340 is taken, stay short for $33 levels. Possibility is just strong. See, the moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with moderate divergence. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, and it is under retracement as of now. There is lot much of room available on the upside though. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement is possible. How far? Yes, 3360 levels are possible, and if 3360 is taken, we are ready for another round of drop. Notice the move here: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And this time the retracement levels have breached the channel, and thus we have to be careful, we have to be watchful. Beyond 3420, it's a reversal. If it trades above 3420, you have to stay with the buys and expect 3440, 3460 zone. As long as 3440, 3460 is not taken, be careful with the buys as well. Right now the crossover is on the sell side, and the support is seen here, and yes, below 3380 could be a good sell. Stochastic rising, the MACD after the crossover, after the retracement has crossed over, it's a good supportive sign for the bulls. However, you can see bulls is struggling here on the upside. The RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see, this is how it has been trading. This is delivering higher highs, higher lows. The preceding candle closing in green, the current candle is starting in green, and on the upside, I will say till 34 20 25, you have to be careful with the buys. Else what's happening, you should notice similar observation here, nothing different. This could reverse still, and if you see silver trading below 3380, you can take a sell. Stochastic flat, MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour chart, the observation is more or less same. Double top can be expected. In fact, it can breach the double top levels. It can move towards 34 20 25, and from those levels the reversal cannot be denied, but right now it is staying bullish, and I am looking forward to this nice channel here. Once it stays above 34 20 25, you have to just stay with the buys, and specifically beyond 3440, 3460 zone, there is no other option, but it is going to give you a massive breakout. Right now too early to conclude with that. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising here. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see silver so far is staying bullish, trading with divergence. If you look at the move here, every rise offsets with a retracement towards 20 period, and this time this is no other exception. It has taken the support from the 20 period and trying to rise. Another interesting thing to note here is the lower highs here, and see this is very important, and that is why I say once it trades beyond 34 20 25, then only you should treat this as bullish. Else what could happen, if it trades below 33 60 33 40, it is ready for a good round of correction. This might take it all the way towards 33 or 32.80 levels. Right now it is not showing any such sign. Stochastic looking downwards. See, MACD on the daily charts have just crossed over, trading with moderate bearishness. This suggests that there could be a red candle today and the RSI flat. So looking at, I will recommend a selling entry at 33.80 with the caution note till 33.40 levels. Once it trades below 33.40, do not think of buying silver. Once it trades below 33.40, stay short. 33 32.80 should be the next target, and once it trades below 32.80, 32.50 level should appear. Yes, if it starts to correct, it is going to deliver a massive blow. On the upside, the buying entry is only limited at 34 2025 levels. If you see it is staying above 34 2025, stay with the buys. You can expect a movement towards 34.40 34.60, and this is going to be an extremely important zone at 34.40 60, because once silver breaks beyond this, it is going to fly high towards 35. Beyond 35, the sky is the limit. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.